Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi, my name is Adile Izzati binti Adi Izani. Today, my group and I will be presenting about soil stabilization using fly ash and lime. Okay, I'll explain to you guys about abstract and introduction. Abstract. As we all know, clay soil is difficult to design and process due to low bearing cap, high shrinkage and swelling quality, as well as high instability in humidity. Okay. Stabilization of soil is a common procedure for strength enhancement. Okay, we decided to choose lime and fly ash because it enhances the properties of some soil types. Okay, the reason why we choose fly ash is to improve the compressive and shearing strength of soil. Okay, while lime has used in mud bearing very strong, the fiery debris were used to tie non-strong soil, granular or insufficiently strong soil. Okay, for introduction, first one is designing and building rural roads requires engineers to utilize the locally available soils for the foundation of the pavement. Okay, next one is soil with poor quality generally have the potential to demonstrate unwanted engineering behaviors such as low bearing capacity, high shrinking and swelling potential, as well as high sensitivity to moisturize. Stabilization these types of soil using different additives is a common practice, as replacing the foundation materials with good quality soils become uneconomical. Okay, many additives such as lime, cement, fly ash, bitumen, and various chemicals are used to stabilize the soil types. Okay, I'm going to pass the next slide to my friend. That's all from me.
Okay, for the fly ash has been successfully used to improve soil strength characteristic, to stabilize bases or subgrade, stabilize backfill to minimize lateral earth pressure, and stabilize embankment to increase the stability of the slope. Second one, fly ash can function to stabilize depth of the soil range between 15 and 46 cm. Next one, fly ash as a binder is more desirable because fly ash is a fairly inexpensive industrial byproduct compared to cement and lime. Next, reducing energy usage and greenhouse gas emission. For the last one, fly ash function as a grouting component, as a moderate abrasive, as a filtering medium in concrete of structure and mass, and for soil stabilization. Okay, let's move for the next slide. This is geotechnical properties of soil and fly ash table. For the first one, for the specific gravity for fly ash is 2.14, and for the sand property is 26%, for the silt 70%, for clay 4%, for liquid limit is 31.3%, and for the optimum water content is 21%, and maximum dry unit weight is 12.6 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, let's move for the lime. The next material, lime may be used to treat soil to improve their operability and load bearing characteristic. The use of lime in stabilization induces improvement in soil engineering behavior, including improved strength, improved fatigue resistance, and permanent deformation, minimize swelling, improve durable properties, and resistance to damaging effects of moisture. Second one, quicklime is often used at a construction site and elsewhere the dry wet soil, reducing downtime and providing an improved working surface. Next one, lime will significantly improve the stability, impermeability and load bearing power of subgrades. Quick lime and hydrated lime also can be used. Lime application to subgrade can provide considerably improved engineering properties. Okay, for the methodology, we use standard compaction test and liquid limit and plastic limit. That's all from me.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ismail. So today I want to share to you about the result and discussion for this project. First of all, this project using two different types of testing, which is standard compaction test and also liquid limit and plastic limit. For the standard compaction test, this testing performed according to IS standard factor to determine the maximum dry and moisture content. And there, as you can see, there are two different results, which is for the optimum moisture content and also maximum dry. For the optimum moisture content, the result for the lime is about 20%, and the result for combination between lime and fly ash is about 18%. Next to the second graph, which is for the maximum dry, the lime is about 16.2% and the combination between lime and fly ash is about 16.1%. Okay, next to the second testing, which is liquid limit and plastic limit, the liquid limit and plastic limit are using different percentage of admixture, and this testing use two different material, which is lime and also the combination between lime and fly ash. For the liquid limit test, the result for the lime is about 40 and the combination between lime and fly ash is about 38. For the plastic limit, the result for the lime is about 19% and for the combination between lime and fly ash is 18%. Okay, so next for the conclusions and recommendations. In conclusion, an experimental research was performed to research the admixture of individual and combined impact, for example lime and fly ash, on the geotechnical characteristic of expansive soils, and the effect of fly ash and combination of fly ash and lime on plasticity characteristic and compaction characteristic. On selected soil sample is truly investigated. The strength of lime fly ash stabilized soil after 7 and 28 days has been greatly increased by increased density and compactions, but significantly influenced the optimum lime fly ash ratio. And for the recommendation for this project, the best way to make the result become more accurate is to improve texture in the soil as well as decrease in the soil density by bulk. And the last recommendation is the pH interest optimization is important to make the soil stabilized. In addition, increasing the capacity to buffer soil is one of the ways to improve the result of soil stabilization. That's all from us. Thank you.